Hello, my name's Simon Monk, and I'd like to introduce you to my latest book, Coding, the 21st Century's Most Valuable Skill. This is a book that I've been wanting to write for a while, and it's a little bit of a departure from my usual books about Arduino and Raspberry Pi. And it goes back to my roots, which are in software development. I had many years working in various different parts of the software development industry. So I wanted to write a book that didn't just teach you a programming language. It does do that, it teaches you Python, but also looks at the wider part of the software development industry. So as well as just learning Python and looking at simple scripts, you also learn what a real program is like, in terms of you don't just have one program file that's got some stuff in it. You're going to have a whole system around you. So I broaden it out to the full stack, and we look at databases in the form of SQLite, and we also look at the Django framework, just to not really to teach you any of these subjects in depth, but just to give you an idea of what it's like to use them and what software development is really about. I also have part 2 of the book, which looks at the software development industry. So this broadens out the book to include what kind of software jobs are there, because not everybody is a developer. There's quality control, there are testers, there are DevOps, there are all sorts of different roles within the software development community. And no saying there's mobility, people move about from one to the other. So I wanted to kind of give a flavour for what it's like to really work in software. So that's my new book. It's in full colour. That's the paperback edition, and the ebook version, of course, is in colour. And so please take a look. There's more information about the book at this URL. Thank you very much.